In this video, I'll show you how you can convert a PDF into a JPG. Now, as you can see, I have a PDF file here, and if I open it, it's a normal PDF. Then what you want to do is you want to head over to this website called ilovepdf.com, and you want to find the PDF one. So from in here, we're going to find PDF to JPG. Then what you want to do is click on it, select PDF file, and you want to find the one. Mine is right here. I'm going to click open, and I'm going to click convert. Now, since there's two pictures in my PDF file, it will give me two files. Then let it load for a little bit and press download. Now, once this is downloaded, you will get a folder. I have a zip folder here, and there'll be two pages. Now, if I open them, as you can see, it's the first page and the second page, and it will be a JPG file. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's super simple and super easy. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.